Right now we don't have ledge grab for the running jump. I'm going to fix that today. First I'm going to go into the animator for the player. Here's the animator window. I'm going to go into the jump. Here are the abilities. And specifically I want to look at the indexer. Here it is. First let me rename this to make this clear. Player ledge grab indexer 1. And I'm also going to change this to jump. So by holding jump you're able to grab the ledge. Let me also take a look at the hanging idle, ledge grab, hanging idle. Here's the indexer for the hanging idle, and I'm going to decrease the conditions to just up. So jump is going to allow you to hang on to the ledge, and then up is going to allow you to climb up to the floor. I'm going to put this to the side and play. First I want to make sure that the normal jump ledge grab works. Oops. Okay, so by holding jump I can hang on, and if I press up I climb up. I'm now going to go into the running jump, air movement, jump running. Here it is. I'm going to add the indexer for the ledge grab. Make sure that you don't have any other indexers here. And for the transition, I want to go from running jump to the hanging idle. Let me also set up the transition here. Okay, turn off exit time, and the condition is that the index is 1. I'm going to go to the running fall and do the same thing, add the indexer for the ledge grab and make the transition to the hanging idle. Okay, and set up the graph here. Okay, and the condition again is that index equals 1. Now if I play again, I'm going to do the running jump and hold on to the jump key. So I'm at the hanging idle, pressing up will make you climb up. So now we have the ledge grab for both the running jump as well as the normal jump. Okay. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.